share. Now revealed in you our cause. What a beautiful name it is.
12 po, ito ay part lang ng ministry ng International Mission. Hindi po ito yung main ministry actually. Ito ay part lang to establish the local churches in the Philippines and in all nations.